Okay, guys, let's continue with the workbook. Okay, I hope you finished with your starfish activity. How did it go? Tell me. And right now we're going to work in our workbook. We're going to review letter Q, letter X, and letter Z. Okay? You already know what are we going to do on this activity. You are going to trace the letter, capital letter, small letter, and then you can draw or you can cut some objects that begins with each letter. Okay? Let's do it. Remember, you have to trace the letter 3 times at least. Okay? The first one that we're going to work with is letter Q. Okay, repeat. Q. Capital letter Q. Small letter Q. We are going to trace the letter 3 times. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Small letter Q. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and do you remember some objects that begins with letter Q? Q is for question. Excellent. Question. Do you have a question? Q is for quiet. Quiet. Q is for quack. Quack, quack, quack. The dog sound. Quack. Q is for what other word begins with letter Q? Quick. Okay, quick. Really quick. Quick. Q is for quilt. Excellent. Quilt. Okay, right now I am going to draw only one object that begins with letter Q. And I am going to draw a question mark, okay? Right here, I am going to draw a question mark for question. Okay, great. Right now, let's continue with letter X. Capital letter X, small letter X. We are going to trace letter X 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Capital letter X. Now, let's continue with small letter X. 1, 2, 3. Great. Okay, now, can you remember some words that begins with letter X? I mean, well, there are no words that begins with letter X. Well, yes, they are cell phone, but most of the words have letter X in the middle or in the X, okay? I mean in the end. Like for example, box. Do you remember a box? Okay? Box. Fox. Fox. What else? What other word do you remember that has letter X on it? Taxi. Excellent. Taxi. Box. Fox. Taxi. A number? There's a number that has letter X on it. Number 6. Number 6. Very good. And a cell phone. Okay? A cell phone. It begins with letter X. I think we have it right here. Look. A cell phone. Okay? Another one right here. No, this is not letter X. And this one, this is not letter X either, okay? Xylophone, we have xylophone right here. Do you remember when we work on this page? Okay, so X is for xylophone. X is for fox, box. What else? Taxi. Okay, so we're going to draw one object right here. And I am going to draw a taxi, okay? Let's draw right here the wheels. I am going to draw right here. This is the window. This is like the front shape of the taxi. We have the mirrors right here. And we have the sign that says taxi. Okay? I am going to color the taxis yellow because most of the taxis are yellow. There we go. And they have like this things right here. Right there. Okay? There we go. Taxi. Excellent. Next is letter Z. Capital letter Z. Small letter Z. Okay? Let's trace the letter. I am going to use yellow 3 times, remember. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Capital letter Z. Now, small letter Z. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. And do you remember some words that begins with letter Z? Z is for zoo. Excellent. Zoo. C is for zipper. Zipper. Z is for what else? Zookeeper. Very good. Zookeeper. Okay, so far we have zipper, zookeeper, zoo, 0, number 0. Very good. Okay, now I am going to draw one object that begins with letter Z, and I am going to draw number 0. Okay, very good. Number 0, right there. 0. Excellent. Okay, great job. So far we finished with our workbook activity. We'll review letter Q, X, and Z. Close your book, and the last activity that you are going to work is to practice with this, okay? You can print it or you can make it as I did. And this we're going to practice. Let's make 10. Okay, like the activity that we did on our Starfish book. You are going to complete these additions to make 10. We have butterflies right here. So on the first one, we have 2 right here. 2. 1, 2. How many butterflies you are going to draw to make 10? Okay? How many? You need 10 butterflies, but you have only 2. Okay? So I am going to help you with the first one, and I want you to work on the other ones. Right here, I'm gonna get a color, and I'm going to get the book, okay, right here. So we have 2. Let's see how many we need to make 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Now I have 10 butterflies. How many butterflies did I draw? Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 butterflies. So, 2, 1, 2, plus 8. Let's write number 8 right here. 8. 2 plus 8 equals 10. Okay? We have 10 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you are going to work on the next ones. Okay? This is the last activity and we finished for today. Thank you guys for joining the class and see you tomorrow. Okay? Bye-bye.